Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Chrysler 300 door panel. First, let's prepare by gathering our essential tools. You will need a plastic trim removal tool, a Phillips head screwdriver, and possibly a small flathead. Always ensure your vehicle's ignition is completely off to avoid any electrical mishaps. Understanding the panel's attachment points beforehand will make the entire process much smoother and prevent damage. Next, we will focus on detaching the trim pieces and fasteners. Carefully insert your plastic trim tool under the edge of the window switch panel and gently pry it upwards. Once it's loose, disconnect the electrical connectors by pressing their release tabs. You will then find 1 or 2 Phillips head screws underneath, which secure the door panel. Remove these screws and keep them safe for reinstallation. Now, let's release the main door panel from its clips. Starting from the bottom edge, carefully insert your plastic trim tool between the door panel and the metal door frame. Gently pry outwards, working your way around the entire perimeter. You will hear the clips pop free as you go. Once all clips are disengaged, lift the entire door panel straight up to clear the window channel. For the final steps, we need to disconnect the remaining components. First, carefully detach the door handle cable. Usually, you rotate its plastic housing and unhook the cable end. Then, unplug any other electrical connectors, like those for the door light or speaker. With everything disconnected, you can safely set the panel aside. Remember, reinstallation is simply the reverse of these steps, ensuring all clips and screws are properly secured.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.